Welcome to the CoPOS Flagging a Member for Contact Info Review video. Sometimes your store may attempt to contact a member by phone, snail mail, or email, and there is incorrect or outdated information, and the communication is returned to your store. A good way to remedy this is to flag a member for contact review so that the member database can be updated the next time the member shops at your store. To do this, we will go into the member database, option 4.4. We will select Edit, then Single Member, Multiple Fields. We will enter member 1775, Alicia Aaron. We'll arrow over to Save and Continue. Then next to number 1, we see Contact Info Review, so we'll select that. Arrow over to Contact Info Review. Member flagged for Contact Review. So the next time Alicia Aaron comes into shop, the cashier will be notified that Alicia's information needs to be updated. We'll get out of the database now. Enter, 0 to quit, Q to quit, enter, enter. Now we'll go into the register and enter 1775, Alicia Aaron. Edit this member's address and contact. If we say no, this alert will come up the next time Alicia comes into shop. But we'll select yes and enter through until we reach the phone number field. And we'll change the last 4 digits to 4176. Keep entering through until the choice bar at the bottom appears. Arrow over to save. The phone number is saved, but CoPOS will still ask if Alicia Aaron should be prompted for a contact info review at the next sale. We'll say no, and we can resume the sale. We don't really need to purchase anything, so we can escape out to the main menu. Thank you for watching the CoPOS Flagging a Member for Contact Info Review video.